In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. First of all, launch settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on display. Now select easy mode after scrolling down again, and to turn it on or off just operate this switcher right next to it. Now, if you decided you do want to use it, you can also manage those two options below it. High contrast keyboard, you can turn it off or switch it on, and if you decided you wanna use it, pick one of those by clicking on the best one. And then touch and hold delay. You can choose custom to create your own, or pick one of those. Whatever you decided, when you finished, go back and check out your simple layout. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!